This video is for lesson 6-7, volume of cones. So on the back side of this, your formula for a cone is V equals 1/3 big BH. But remember, we use volume equals 1/3. Big B is the area of a circle, so pi r squared, and then times h. So this is always your height of your cone. And then along the bottom of the circle here, this is always your radius. And so the height and radius form a right angle. And so you can see here that you could draw that little square in for a right angle. All right, so some examples. Example 1, find the volume of the cone. Now, we're going to still use pi. We're not going to use 3.14. But if it tells you to do this, instead of hitting the pi button, you would put 3.14. So I will work one that way. All right, so volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. And so my radius is 9. And my height is 12, and you type it in just like this into your calculator, and you would get volume equals 1017.88 centimeters cubed. All right, this time they've given you the diameter. So remember, when you get the diameter, you have to cut it in half. And so your radius would be 5. So again, our original formula, so my radius is 5 and my height is 14. So my volume would be 366.52 meters cubed. All right, so on this one, I am going to use the 3.14 for pi. So right here for pi, I would plug that in, the 3.14. My radius is 6. And then I don't know my height. So what I need to do here for the volume is I need to plug that volume amount in. And now you can solve this like an equation. So you'd go to y equals. And so the left hand of the equal goes into y1. Remember, we're using 3.14 for pi. My radius is 6, and I don't know my height, so I use an x. All right, so second trace 5, and it gives me x equals 33. So my height would be 33 kilometers.